How to export passwords from Android. This tutorial shows you how to download all your saved passwords from Chrome in one go. First, open the Chrome app on your Android device. From there, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. After that, tap Settings from the menu that appears. At this point, tap Google Password Manager. From here, tap the Settings icon at the top right of the Password Manager page. Following this, scroll down and tap Export Passwords. After that, you'll be prompted to verify your identity with your fingerprint or PIN before anything is exported. From here, once verified, a pop-up will appear warning you that your passwords will be saved as a CSV file, which can be read by anyone who opens it. Tap Export Passwords again to confirm you want to proceed. At this point, a share sheet will appear letting you choose where to save the file. You can save it to your device storage, Google Drive, or any other location you prefer. Finally, once saved, your passwords will be stored in that CSV file, which you can open in a spreadsheet app or import into another password manager if needed. Keep in mind that a CSV file stores passwords in plain text, so make sure to store it somewhere secure and delete it once you're done using it. That's how you export passwords from Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you catch the next one. See you then.